What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to another episode of Umami Hunter. I'm Zach. Today's episode is gonna be sweet because I am going for donuts. That is right, I am going to get my Homer Simpson on. Donuts are the one item that I will 99.99% never turn down. The only time I will turn it down is probably because I'm not feeling well. But other than that, I will get it nearly 100% of the time. You offer me a donut, I will take it. Now, a lot of y'all are probably gonna say, oh, Bay Area's best donuts, you gotta go to Bob's, you gotta go to Stan's. Now that may be true, and both are awesome donut places. But today I wanna focus more so on the smaller mom and pop, lesser known spots. These donut shops serve some amazing, no-frills, sweet treat creations, so they deserve some love too. I'm ready to do some donuts and get dunking. It's the good stuff. Went to 3 spots, I probably got about, I don't know. I got a whole mess of donuts, and to be transparent with you, I'm about to eat hot pot in about an hour. I consider this my pregame meal. I have to start expanding the stomach, make room for all that hot pot meat. It's just like any sport, you gotta warm up and stretch. So I'm stretching the stomach out. This right here is the bounty. Starting from the left, we have rolling pin donuts. The ube donut is the purple one, chocolate old fashioned, and a powdered sugar. I wish the powdered sugar was a little more powdery. I like it to look like Scarface's coffee table. Getting to the middle, happy donuts. Only had the cronut holes, which is totally fine. Cronut is a croissant donut. And then finally on the right is royal donut. We have a glazed twist and a crumb donut. I had to come back home and eat. I was gonna eat in my car, but this lady was in front of my car going back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, and she was on the phone, so I don't know what she was up to. Didn't want to take my chances, but I have the powdered sugar, chocolate old fashioned, and the ube donut. Time to dig in. Let's break into this and see what it looks like. Ooh, very moist. It feels super moist, and it has this nice glaze on the outside. Got a little squished in the bag, but hey, I ain't picky. Ube donut. Wow, super moist. Really moist donut. And that glaze gives it crispy, sweet texture on the outside. I wish the ube was a lot stronger in flavor. I can taste a little bit of ube, but it's a great donut. It's cakey, it's sweet. That's a good one. This powdered sugar is looking a little nude. I'm gonna fix that. That is what I'm talking about. Needs to look like a beignet. There we go. Aha, much better. Powder donut from Rolling Pin. Mmm. That just brings a smile to my face. This reminds me of childhood. My grandma used to bring me to 𝐒𝐮𝐬𝐫𝐢𝐻. I'd either get a jelly donut or a powder donut. This definitely brings back some memories. Chocolate old fashioned. The thing I like about Rolling Pin's old fashioned is that it's a little thinner and the bottom, it's crunchy. It's got this crunch to it. Not like a potato chip crunch, pretzel-y crunch. You get that triple consistency of the glaze on the top, the moist cake in the middle, and that crunch going on. It's almost like a softer churro, a softer version of a churro. Therein lies one of the issues. It's not a big donut, so just imagine they're not huge. Your eyes will say, you know what? I'm gonna get 5 of those. I could eat 5 of those. Next, the cronut holes. I've never had the cronut holes before. The big cronuts are always sold out by the time I get there. It looks good. I hope it's not dry. Fingers crossed. I don't remember the last time I had a cronut. Usually I'm a bit of a purist. I like my croissant as a croissant and my donut as a donut. That's why I'm a bit worried. Did I not like it? Is that why I've never had one since? It's been years. By the way, thank goodness I was getting these because they were wiped out of donuts. So I specifically went for these donut holes. Call it luck. Oh, When you first bite in, it tastes just like a glazed donut. And then you get to that moist center part here, and it starts tasting flaky and buttery, just like a croissant. I'm loving this one right here. The consistency is very light and airy. I gotta cut the sweetness with some coffee. Much better. Try it with a dip. It has that crunchy texture, so I figure it'll hold up the consistency. It holds up. Oh, I like that. That hit of coffee right there. And then there were 2 glazed twisty donut. Check out what the inside. Is it moist? Oh, it is moist. It looks delicious. Glazed twisties. That is a solid twisty donut. Extremely moist. This one's from Royal Donut Cafe. If you go to some places, their donuts taste like the fryer that they're fried in. What I enjoy about Royal Donut Cafe's donuts, you don't get any of that deep fried aftertaste. It is just pure, moist, sweet donut. It's like biting into a cloud with specks of cinnamon inside hitting your palate. Get that nice little spice. Crumb donuts. Or every time I see a crumb-based donut, I just can't resist. I'm only gonna do one huge bite of the crumb donut, especially if I have to eat hot pot. It's a crumb donut. It's soft. It's pillowy. Nothing else to say. All 3 of these donut places are solid. You can't go wrong with anything that you grab from there. Pick what looks good and roll with it. That's why out of the 3, I don't have a favorite because I'll go to every single one. I will say that Royal Donut Cafe also has banh mi sandwiches. I'm curious to try one. I've not tried one yet from there, so if anyone's tried it, comment in the section below and let me know how it is and which one to get, because there was a ton of people coming in and ordering them after I got my donut. Thanks so much for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you want to get notifications for future videos, go ahead and click on that subscribe. Till next time, peace, grub, and happiness to y'all. Take care.